Good morning. I'm Mohan Parthasarathi, your virtual wellness and happiness coach for the day. First of all, I like to thank you, everyone who are listening to me so patiently every day. Special thanks to all my subscribers who keep writing to me and sharing the thoughts with me. Likewise, there was a question from one of the subscriber. The question is there any shortcut for being happy? Firstly, let us understand that we are a happy soul. That means we ourselves are a happy being. Happiness or being happy is our nature. I can simply say 7 golden rules for happiness. Number 1, stop searching for a happiness outside because happiness is you. Second, we are the creators of our thoughts and right thoughts creates happiness. Third, we are responsible for our happiness. Let us take that responsibility. Fourth, happiness is a choice and let's choose to live happy always. Fifth, thinking about past or thinking about future may or may not create happiness always. So live and enjoy the present. Sixth, accept people as they are and don't expect anything from anyone. This itself will give you happiness. And last but not the least, seventh, happiness is a journey and not destination. Just enjoy while you are traveling rather than enjoying after reaching the destination. Hope my friend would have got the answer for his question. Thank you. Have a nice day.